Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Civil Engineering and more tutorials. Check out the playlists, as many of the playlists are actually courses. When you watch a video, make sure to check the description of that video because the description holds valuable information. The first section of the description talks about something of the video that is not in the video, so it is very important. And then the next section is for who the instructor is, and to know the instructor a bit more, you can find the profile links of the instructor. Then you can find our website links, then you can find our other courses links. You can also find coupon links to free courses and all that in descriptions of videos, so please check the description of every video you watch. Like and follow the Facebook page for free and discount coupons for courses. The links will be given in the description. Please check the description as well. Happy learning, and don't forget to check the description.